Guys, really someone from Cebu City. And something is from Cebu City is always the news. The news is because everything, those roads are so much no entries. Because it has a parade and everything, that's why. Because all of old roads, because of the old roads in the world, because of the parade. So it's that meaning that will happen. So I can mean that. So why? So I just come in now from this because I wanted to go with my grandma, my father's mom. I miss my father's mom so much because there's a lot of no interest because the hotels have no interest. What should we do with this, guys? Okay. I want some popcorns. I want popcorns.
What popcorn?
I want nacho cheese.
Dili ka maka-eat ana inside.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Wait.
Inside sa buwan.
Inside sa?
Sa department.
Ano yan naka-mag-play ha kung nanas kinang kara?
What?
Kasi kinang kara magbantay nimo.
Oh, yes.
Ano kami ni tatay magpahilo.
For UK flag?
Nga ba diri?
Let's just come.
Just wasa na timing. Oy.
Sir.
Wala na timing.
All this stuff. Okay. Oh, I love this store so much.
Magpa-Brazilian roots ka may dugo.
Okay. Here. How many
Pierce.
Ha?
Oh, Pierce. Earrings.
Na imong short style. Sige makakahubo. Nahana.
Kan ko ba sa
Pastilan.
Wala lagi. Sige na hinay nagka-apply oh. Ano diri?
Sige na. Pastilan. Wala.
Please proceed to customer service counter.
Wala sa Zen.
Calling the attention of the
Sa Zen, tay. Parang sa Zen.
of Clarence Aviso. The customer service counter of
Ano, gabi?
please.
Ayaw di pagbuwag na ni tatay kay ni anak ka. Ato ka sa kasyo na. Sige na wala ko. Asa man akong mama ko. Ato ka dito ha sa guard kung wala ka. Ha?
Yes.
Hindi ka na. Guard, tabang ko. Asa man akong mama papa. Pagdali na. Senior. What man?
Let's do for part 2.
Ha?